Yes, student. Next one is aldol reaction. Student, you can check here. Aldol, that is ald means what? Aldehyde. Aldehyde. And there is what? All. Okay. Plus what? Alcohol. So the compound become what? Aldehyde and alcohol. Then that means what? When a compound, okay, that is aldehyde reacts with some particular reagent, it forms such a compound which consists aldehyde functional group as well as alcohol functional group. This is called aldol. I think reaction. When aldehydes, okay, two molecules, remember here, two molecules, similar or dissimilar, similar or dissimilar, this is the second condition, okay, reacts with dilute, okay, sodium hydroxide, okay, or simply you can call it what? Alkali, okay, forms a addition product which consists aldehyde plus alcohol functional group. Okay. Remember, very important thing is here. Remember, aldehyde must have alpha hydrogen. This is the most important thing. What? It must have alpha hydrogen. That is, only those aldehyde gives this reaction which consists alpha hydrogen. I will explain how it is possible. Okay. So very first, let me write reaction. This is CH3, C double bond O and H. Later it is what? Acetaldehyde plus one more CH3. This is CH3, C double bond O H in presence of what? Dilute NaOH. It is again very important. Okay, you have not to forget dilute needed, not concentrated. Now what is the meaning of alpha hydrogen? The meaning of alpha hydrogen is, say, this is called what? Beta functional group. So the first carbon attached with the functional group is called alpha carbon, and all the hydrogen present are called alpha hydrogen. So acetaldehyde consists alpha hydrogen, therefore it can give this reaction. But remember, formaldehyde, benzaldehyde do not consist alpha hydrogen, therefore they do not use what? Aldol reaction. Now how the reaction takes place? As you know, this alpha hydrogen is highly acidic in nature. Why? It is because there is C double bond O, that is carbonyl carbon, and the oxygen is highly electronegative. That means what? When it pulls electron towards itself, now the electron deficiency develops in this carbon atom, due to which the releasing of H becomes very easier. And if the releasing of H becomes easier, the lone pair is given to carbon and H released in the form of H cation. Again here in C double bond O, that is first molecule, there is a more electronegative oxygen which possess, that is already possess fraction negative charge. Okay, so when the bond completely shifted towards oxygen, now this hydrogen can easily attack on here. So if the hydrogen will easily attack on here, then compound will be CH3. This is C, this is H. Now this is what? O, and the H is transferred from another molecule of acetaldehyde, forming hydroxyl group there. And now this carbon of aldehyde is directly attached okay, and C double bond O. So in this compound you can search, there is what beta, aldehyde functional group, as well there is what, alcohol functional group, alcohol. So aldehyde you pick up what, ald, and alcohol you pick up what, all. So ald plus all become what, aldol. So this reaction is called aldol reaction. This is simply addition reaction in presence of dilute NaOH. What is the IUPAC name? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what? 3-hydroxy, 4 carbon, therefore butane. Okay, and one position, so simply you can write it for butanal. You can write it for butanal. Are you getting? So this is called aldol reaction. Now student, if the hydrolysis of this reaction, this compound takes place, hydrolysis in with HOH in presence of any acid, then what? One of the molecule of water is getting eliminated. That is, this OH and H is getting eliminated. And if it happens, then what? Then there will be CH3. This is CH. This is again CH. And this is C double bond O and what? H. But to complete valency, there is what? Double bond. That means here the alkene is getting formed. Getting? Alkene is getting formed. Now what is the name of the compound? Again 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, you can write but. Okay. 2 in and what? Al. That is enal compound. Okay. Here what? H2O is released. Means what? The two molecules which added together and H2 is released, therefore this is called condensation reaction. Called what? Condensation reaction. Now the condensation of what takes place? The condensation of aldol takes place, therefore this reaction is termed as aldol condensation. What is this? Aldol condensation. So now our heading becomes what? Aldol reaction and what? Aldol condensation. Condensation means conversion of aldol product into alkene. It's called condensation. Are you getting? Always remember, in this reaction, formaldehyde do not give such reactions. Are you getting? Now, what should be the probable mechanism? Okay, so student, you know that if we check its mechanism in short, you can see NaOH will form what? Na cation plus what? OH anion. Okay, now if aldehyde consists what? Alpha hydrogen. That is what? This one alpha hydrogen. Getting? Then this alpha hydrogen can react with OH anion. That is, reaction is in basic medium, forming what here? Water, and therefore it will form CH2 C double bond OH. That means what? This species. This is called enolate ion. Enolate ion. That means it shows that only those compound can give this reaction which is able to form enolate ion. Therefore, there is a condition of what? Alpha hydrogen. Student, remember, this hydrogen is alpha, also alpha, this one is also alpha, and all that are identical. Therefore, you can use any of the hydrogen. So, only enolate ion formation, that is, can form compound give such reaction. Are you getting here? Therefore, formaldehyde do not use this reaction. And in the mechanism, now it will become what? Nucleophile. Okay, and first molecule will become what? Electrophile. How the first molecule will become electrophile? You can write, we have two molecules, that means what? CH3, C double bond O and H. Getting? You can write here H here. Okay, plus enolate ion, that is CH2. This is C double bond O and this is what? H. So there is enolate ion. Okay, now if the electron shifting takes place, then it will acquire which charge? Positive charge. And if it will acquire positive charge, then easily enolate ion which act as nucleophile can attack on carbonyl carbon which is having positive charge, and thus the reaction become CH3 C. This is O anion. This is what? H. This is now CH2. This is C double bond O, and this is what? H. Are you getting? Which then react with Na release and form O Na, and then on hydrolysis will convert into hydroxyl group. Is this clear? That is, here the water is also getting released out. Look at here, from here isolate ion, the water is getting released out, and this water reacts with H cation, form H cation and OH anion, so it gets attached here. Is that clear? That is, attack of these H cation takes place in this oxygen atom. So in short, you can see the mechanism and the aldol reaction and aldol condensation reaction.